You don't have to be a Michelangelo in order to draw anything, including plants. But taking a moment to sketch a plant in the field is a great opportunity to slow down and really notice a number of interesting features of this wonderful living being. You can capture the essence of a plant very quickly just by sketching its overall form and using a few of the handy methods that we'll outline in this video. First, sketch the general form of the plant. Place yourself so that you have a full view of the plant from top to bottom. For big trees like this sugar maple, you might have to get a bit of distance on it. For many smaller plants, you can sit right next to them to see them close up. Here, I've done a 5-second outline drawing that shows the outline of the tree, the main trunk relative to the crown, and the general orientation of the branches. Fine art, right? Not. But I've just noticed something when I drew this silly sketch. The branches are arrayed opposite each other along the trunk and point upward toward the outer edges of the crown. Those could be useful for identifying the tree later on. Now, make some notes about the plant right there on your sketch page. My tree is easily 30 feet tall, and that helps to identify it in GoBotany as a tree. You can jot down other characteristics along the way, and using your field observation worksheet is a great way to start. Now I'm homing in on another set of features to notice. Leaves are especially informative, so it's good to zoom in on those by making a sketch. Here's a drawing done by Gordon Morrison of a leaf from a sugar maple tree. Yes, it is artful, but it's simple, just a few black lines that give an overview of the form of the leaf. Don't have a lot of time to pore over the leaf and come up with just the right sketch of all its lobes and teeth and veins? No problem. Take a sample leaf, hold it down on a page in your field notebook, and use your pencil or pen to trace around its outline. We're not talking rocket science here. Or get back in touch with your inner child and recall those leaf rubbing exercises that just about all of our grade school teachers made us do in class. Lay the leaf with its upper surface facing down on the page. That's because the cool veins of the leaf are usually most pronounced on the leaf's lower surface, which is what you'll be rubbing. Now, lay a piece of plain paper over the leaf so that it becomes a paper-leaf-paper sandwich. Take a pencil or a crayon and use the side of it to gently move over the upper piece of paper. And lo and behold, a relief of the leaf, sorry, bad pun, will mysteriously emerge. You can see details of the leaf's outline and venation and actually have a lovely piece of artwork when you're done without ever having taken a single art lesson. Quick sketches are great ways to capture important features of a plant. Accompany those with some field notes, use your observation sheet as a guide, and you have an excellent chance of understanding the identity of your plant and of appreciating its beauty a lot more. Once in practice, move on to flowers and more. Enjoy.